The Tesla semi-truck motorhome is a groundbreaking fusion of sustainable technology and luxury travel, reimagining what it means to explore the road in style. Built upon the foundation of Tesla's powerful all-electric semi-truck platform, this futuristic motorhome delivers exceptional performance with zero emissions, setting a new benchmark for eco-friendly adventure. Its sleek, aerodynamic design is not only visually striking, but also optimized for efficiency, making long journeys smoother, quieter, and more sustainable than ever before. Step inside, and you're welcomed into an environment where comfort meets innovation. The interior is surprisingly spacious, designed with premium finishes and advanced materials to create a luxurious home on wheels. A fully equipped kitchen allows for gourmet cooking on the go, while the modern bathroom offers full amenities, including a walk-in shower and elegant fixtures. The cozy bedroom is crafted for restful nights, complete with smart lighting and climate control systems that adapt to your preferences at the touch of a button. Tesla's advanced battery technology powers the entire vehicle, delivering an impressive range on a single charge and enabling true off-grid living without compromise. Integrated smart systems give you total control over every aspect of the motorhome, from energy management to entertainment, ensuring a seamless, connected experience wherever you travel. More than just a vehicle, the Tesla Semi-Motorhome is a symbol of forward-thinking exploration, blending cutting-edge technology with the ultimate in road trip luxury. It offers travelers a bold, new way to experience freedom, comfort, and sustainability in perfect harmony. The Scania Motorhome is a powerful and luxurious mobile home that brings together the rugged reliability of a Scania truck with the elegance and comfort of premium living. Engineered for both adventure and relaxation, this motorhome is perfect for travelers who desire the freedom of the open road without compromising on quality or convenience. Built on a robust truck platform, it ensures strength, durability, and smooth handling, whether you're gliding down highways or venturing into remote and challenging landscapes. Inside, the Scania Motorhome transforms into a beautifully crafted living space. The interior is spacious, thoughtfully designed, and finished with high-end materials that create a warm and inviting atmosphere. It features a fully equipped kitchen where you can prepare your favorite meals, a modern and luxurious bathroom with all the essential amenities, and a cozy bedroom designed to offer a restful night's sleep after a day of travel. The living area blends form and function seamlessly, offering comfortable seating and advanced entertainment options to make you feel truly at home. Technology is intelligently integrated throughout the motorhome, giving you full control over climate, lighting, and media through smart systems that respond to your preferences. The powerful Scania engine ensures dependable performance and confidence behind the wheel, no matter where your journey leads. Whether you're exploring the countryside, camping off-grid, or embarking on a cross-country expedition, the Scania Motorhome delivers the perfect balance of strength, luxury, and comfort. It redefines mobile living by offering a stylish and practical sanctuary on wheels for those who want to experience the world without limitations. The Bruder EXP7 is a remarkable off-road camper trailer purpose-built for adventurers who crave the excitement of exploring remote and unforgiving terrains without leaving comfort behind. It stands as a perfect fusion of rugged engineering and refined living, offering a dependable base for those who push the boundaries of traditional travel. Crafted with an ultra-tough yet lightweight exterior, the EXP7 is designed to tackle extreme environments, from rocky mountain paths to endless desert landscapes. Its advanced suspension system ensures a smooth and stable ride, no matter how rough the trail becomes. Step inside, and you're immediately struck by the space and sophistication it offers. The interior has been thoughtfully designed to feel both luxurious and practical. A fully equipped kitchen gives you the freedom to prepare meals wherever your journey leads, while plush sleeping accommodations promise restful nights under the stars. Climate control systems are integrated to maintain comfort in all weather conditions, allowing you to remain cozy whether you're in scorching heat or chilly high-altitude zones. What truly sets the Bruder EXP7 apart is its ability to function as a self-sustaining off-grid base camp, With intelligent design choices and rugged reliability, it gives travelers the confidence to venture deeper into the wild, while still enjoying the conveniences of modern living. It's not just a trailer, it's an invitation to explore the unknown with unmatched capability, style, and comfort. The Crawler EZ458 is a bold and powerful off-road machine, purpose-built for those who thrive on extreme adventures and refuse to settle for the ordinary. With its aggressive, muscular stance and rugged construction, this vehicle is more than capable of tackling the harshest landscapes on the planet. Whether you're powering through rocky mountain trails, plowing through deep mud, or climbing steep, uneven inclines, the EZ458 delivers unstoppable performance thanks to its high-torque engine and advanced suspension system that adapts seamlessly to any challenge. But brute force isn't its only strength. Step inside, and you're greeted by a surprisingly refined interior that balances durability with modern luxury. It's equipped with state-of-the-art navigation systems, precision climate control, and ergonomically designed premium seats that keep you comfortable and in control, even on the most unforgiving routes. Every detail inside is tailored to support long, demanding expeditions without sacrificing convenience or style. The integration of cutting-edge technology ensures that you stay connected, aware, and confident, no matter how remote your journey takes you. The Crawler EZ458 isn't just an off-road vehicle. It's a trusted partner built for those who crave adrenaline, independence, and exploration. It delivers a thrilling driving experience that pushes boundaries and redefines what's possible in the world of extreme terrain adventure. The Dembel Motorhome represents the pinnacle of road travel luxury, created for those who seek an uncompromising, first-class experience wherever their journey takes them. More than just a vehicle, this masterpiece blends the performance of a high-end automobile with the refinement of a five-star hotel suite. Built on a robust and powerful chassis, it delivers smooth, reliable driving while offering all the lavish comforts of home. The exterior is sleek, modern, and elegant, a visual statement of style and status on wheels. Step inside, and you're welcomed into an interior that rivals some of the finest residences. The Dembel Motorhome features a fully equipped gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, allowing you to prepare exquisite meals no matter where you're parked. The spacious living area is beautifully appointed, with plush seating and sophisticated finishes, perfect for entertaining or unwinding after a long day. A luxurious spa-style bathroom offers a retreat of relaxation, complete with premium fittings and a roomy walk-in shower. The master bedroom is nothing short of opulent, featuring a large bed, rich materials, and clever storage that maximizes comfort and utility. What truly sets this motorhome apart is its seamless integration of advanced technology. Smart home systems give you complete control over lighting, climate, and entertainment with just a touch or voice command, ensuring every element of your environment adjusts to your mood and needs. With the Dembel Motorhome, you don't just travel. You travel in unmatched sophistication, wrapped in elegance and engineered perfection. It is the ultimate sanctuary on wheels, offering a mobile lifestyle that's as refined and relaxing as it is adventurous. Introducing the living vehicle HD30, a groundbreaking mobile home that brings together the thrill of adventure with the sophistication of modern living, all while being entirely self-sustaining. Designed for those who crave the freedom of the open road without compromising on comfort or sustainability, the HD30 redefines what it means to live off-grid. This high-end travel trailer is not only sleek and compact in design, but also packed with innovation, making it perfect for extended stays in remote destinations far from traditional campsites or city power grids. At the heart of the HD30 lies a powerful solar energy system, enabling you to live independently without reliance on external electricity. Energy-efficient appliances and a built-in water filtration system ensure that your lifestyle remains both eco-friendly and convenient, no matter where your journey takes you. Step inside, and you're greeted with a thoughtfully designed interior that includes a modern kitchen, stylish bathroom, cozy bedroom, and an inviting living area, all crafted with premium materials and a minimalist yet luxurious aesthetic. Its rugged exterior is built to withstand challenging terrains, making it just as capable in the wilderness as it is comfortable inside. Whether you're chasing sunsets in the mountains, relaxing by a secluded lake, or exploring the desert, the HD30 allows you to do it all in complete style and comfort. It's the ultimate solution for travelers who desire true independence and a high standard of living while staying connected to nature. With the Living Vehicle HD30, the world becomes your backyard, and home is wherever you decide to park. The Maxus V90 Villa Edition redefines the luxury RV experience, offering a mobile lifestyle that blends elegance, innovation, and ultimate comfort into one extraordinary package. Designed for those who demand the finest things in life, even while on the road, this exceptional vehicle transforms travel into a 5-star experience. From the moment you step inside, you're welcomed into a world of sophistication where every element has been carefully considered and beautifully executed. The interior of the Maxus V90 Villa Edition is nothing short of stunning. It features expansive living spaces adorned with rich woodwork, premium leather furnishings, and stylish design elements that echo the luxury of a private villa. A spacious lounge area invites relaxation, complete with advanced infotainment systems that provide endless entertainment options at your fingertips. The fully equipped kitchen boasts high-end appliances and modern finishes, allowing for gourmet cooking no matter where your travels take you. The bedroom is a tranquil retreat, outfitted with a plush bed and elegant lighting, while the bathroom rivals those found in upscale hotels, ensuring a refreshing and relaxing experience. State-of-the-art technology is seamlessly integrated throughout the vehicle, offering intuitive controls for lighting, temperature, and multimedia systems to tailor every aspect of the environment to your personal preferences. What truly sets the Maxus V90 Villa Edition apart is its dedication to providing not just transportation, but an elevated lifestyle on wheels. Whether you're planning a long-term journey across the country or a weekend getaway in nature, this RV ensures that you do it in comfort, style, and luxury. It is not merely a vehicle, it is a sanctuary, a statement, and a true villa on wheels. The Heimer Vision Venture is a revolutionary camper van concept that reimagines the future of mobile living with striking innovation and premium design. Built on the trusted and capable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, this vehicle blends cutting-edge technology with high-end comfort, creating a travel experience that is both luxurious and practical. From the outside, its sleek, aerodynamic silhouette not only looks futuristic, but also improves efficiency and performance on the road. Step inside, and you'll find an incredibly smart and flexible interior layout that makes the most of every inch of space. The Vision Venture includes a fully functional kitchen with modern appliances, a multi-purpose lounge area that adapts to your needs, and an inflatable pop-up roof that expands into a warm and cozy sleeping space, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding environment. This innovative RV also incorporates 3D printed elements, energy-efficient smart lighting, and a built-in solar energy system, enabling extended off-grid adventures with minimal environmental impact. Everything in the Vision Venture is crafted to support a sustainable yet luxurious lifestyle on the move. It's more than just a vehicle. It's a glimpse into the next generation of recreational travel, where style, comfort, and eco-conscious innovation come together in perfect harmony. The Maxus V90 Villa Edition is an exceptional luxury RV that delivers a travel experience defined by elegance, innovation, and ultimate comfort. Designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life, this magnificent mobile home brings together premium craftsmanship, sophisticated design, and cutting-edge technology to create a living space that feels more like a high-end villa than a traditional recreational vehicle. Every detail of the Maxus V90 Villa Edition has been thoughtfully executed to ensure that passengers enjoy the highest levels of luxury while on the move. As you step inside, you're greeted by a spacious and beautifully appointed interior. The lounge area is open and inviting, perfect for relaxing or entertaining, and features state-of-the-art infotainment systems that offer endless options for entertainment and connectivity. The fully equipped kitchen is fitted with top-of-the-line appliances and modern finishes, making it ideal for preparing gourmet meals while on the road. The luxurious bedroom offers a peaceful retreat with plush bedding and tasteful decor, while the bathroom is outfitted with stylish fixtures and provides a refreshing spa-like atmosphere. What truly sets the V90 Villa Edition apart is its seamless blend of advanced technology and timeless style. From smart climate control and lighting systems to high-speed connectivity and audio-visual excellence, every system is designed to enhance the journey. The use of rich materials, intricate woodwork, and soft-touch surfaces adds to the feeling of exclusivity and comfort throughout the RV. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country road trip, enjoying a weekend escape, or living full-time on the road, the Maxxis V90 Villa Edition offers an unmatched experience in mobile luxury. It is more than just a means of travel. It's a statement of refined living and the embodiment of what it means to take your home with you wherever you go. The Villa Edition truly lives up to its name, offering a villa-like experience on wheels with all the comfort, convenience, and class you'd expect from a premium lifestyle. Experience the pinnacle of comfort, mobility, and freedom with the RC Motorhomes RC12M, a luxury motorhome designed for those who seek the thrill of adventure without sacrificing the comforts of home. This remarkable 12-meter motorhome is a masterpiece of engineering and interior design, created to provide an unmatched lifestyle on the road. From the moment you step inside, you're welcomed into a world of elegance and innovation. The spacious layout offers room to relax, entertain, and unwind, featuring high-quality materials, cutting-edge technology, and a layout that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. Every inch of the RC12M is crafted with precision and style. The full-size kitchen is equipped with top-tier appliances, allowing you to prepare gourmet meals wherever you park. The living area is expansive and inviting, fitted with an advanced infotainment system that ensures entertainment and connectivity at your fingertips. The bedroom offers a plush king-size bed, while the bathroom rivals those in high-end hotels, complete with a large walk-in shower and modern fixtures. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a full-time journey across the country, the RC12M delivers smooth handling and powerful performance, making every drive as enjoyable as the destination. It's more than just a motorhome, it's a statement of luxury, independence, and possibility. With the RC Motorhomes RC12M, your next adventure begins wherever you choose to take it, offering a 5-star experience on wheels that truly redefines life on the road. The Retreat ERV Hyper redefines the future of travel by seamlessly merging luxury with sustainable living, creating the ideal solution for eco-conscious adventurers. This all-electric recreational vehicle is powered entirely by advanced solar technology and cutting-edge energy storage systems, making it possible to venture far off the grid without ever needing to connect to external power sources. Whether you're parked in the middle of a desert or nestled deep within a forest, the EERV Hyper is to keep you comfortable and self-sufficient for extended periods. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a contemporary, thoughtfully designed interior that balances elegance with practicality. High-end materials create a sophisticated atmosphere, while features like a fully equipped kitchen, a spacious and spa-like bathroom, and a cozy lounge area ensure that every aspect of your journey is both relaxing and efficient. Everything is enhanced by integrated smart home technology, allowing you to easily manage lighting, temperature, and appliances with just a few taps. The exterior of the vehicle is rugged and durable, ready to tackle rough terrains with ease, all while maintaining a sleek, stylish aesthetic. The Retreat ERV Hyper is not just a means of transportation. It's a mobile sanctuary for modern explorers who value environmental responsibility as much as comfort and adventure.